Hi, my name is Michael Weisner. I'm an animator, illustrator, and graphic designer, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a Nissan Skyline. Let's get started. Now, because of the high detail of this vehicle, it's not a bad idea to do a pre-sketch and use source material to do the research for this subject. Alright guys, the first start off with when drawing our Skyline is we're going to first start out the body. Now with the Nissan Skyline, it's very shapish. Not too shapish, but it looks a little compact. Quick wheel right here, line right here, so I know how the body is. This will be my second wheel. Here's just some quick guidelines for me and for you. Now this is starting to look more like the car, but whenever we get up to the front, we want to remember there's a bit of a slope going down. You're going to stop right where the light's going to be, right here. You're going to bring it out a bit, go down some, bring it in a bit, go out one more time, bring it down, and you're going to carry it across. Straight to right here, and we're going to add gap area. Now that we've got that, start bringing out the car a bit more. Add a window, because remember this is going to be a two-door car. Add a little tail fender to the back. Now let's start drawing out our hood in front of our car. Bring out this line. If you notice with all of the Skylines where the front lights are, it's like a little eye right here. Have it. Little eye right here as well. We got that. Add a vent right here. Add a vent right there. Add a bit of darkening. Darken right here. Now that we've got that, down a bit. That's our hood. Add some detail to the hood. And then we're going to start doing our undergrille. And finally, add a vent right here. Right there, and then finally add the wheel. Then add some shading right here. There we have it. And that's how you draw a Nissan Skyline. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.